No matter the amount of shorts that you post on your YouTube channel, the watch hours of that shorts to YouTube doesn't really mean anything. You might think that you post shorts a lot and you have a lot of watch hours. That watch hours doesn't really count. YouTube does not count it as a valid watch hours. They don't. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can post your shorts and your watch hours might be valid or will be valid. So these watch hours, they have the disadvantage and advantage of it. Okay, when you're posting your shorts, don't go and be copying shorts from other sites and be uploading on your channel. Upload your original shorts, create your own shorts. And one way of doing so is by recreating your short from your long video. Yes. So if it's the video you would like to watch, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me teach you or let me show you how to upload shorts from your long videos. So don't go and be copying shorts from Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook or anywhere and be uploading on your channel. It might damage your channel. It might violate some rules in your channel, and you wouldn't want Facebook to sanction you for this. As a YouTuber, it is very stressful to create a long video and then come again to create a short video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your short video from your long video. Open your YouTube app, go to your channel. This is your channel, and then choose the video that you want to use as your short video. Let me use this video as an example. I will click on the video, then look for remix. This is remix. But if your own is not showing remix around areas, then go back to your videos, click on these three dots, and then you click on edit. Then you look for short remixing. Look at it here, short remixing. So my own is set as allow video and audio remixing. But if your own is not showing anything, if your own is showing don't allow, click on it and you choose allow. If your own is showing this don't allow, you choose allow. Okay, you come here and then you save it. All right, save it here. So now let's go back to the video. So now there's remix. The remix is showing here. So now click on the remix. We want to bring out an interesting part of a short video from this long video. So what you need to do here is to click on edit into a short. After recording your video, you just rush to YouTube. If you want it to be 15 seconds, you can keep it. If you want it to be 60 seconds, you can still do it. When you are done and choosing the seconds that you want, you can move these to pick the interesting part of your shot. But note that you have to choose your layout. So this is layout. If you want to change the layout, if you want your layout to be single, if you want it to split, you can split into two for you. If you want it to split into this size, it will change to this size. If you want it to split into split 3, to be like this. If you want it to be a square, it will also be like this. So then after choosing your layout, you can click on continue here. So if you want to choose the interesting part of your shot, you just move it, and then you select the part you want your shot to be for. So now that you have learned how to make your short videos from your long video, let's go right into the tutorial for you to know how to make a short video so that your watch hours will count, which is the main tutorial for today's video. Let's go right into it. So now, how to make your watch hours count. So after choosing your layout, you click on done. Then yeah, you can add your If you want to edit the short, you can edit it. The first one is alphabet. Any style you want to add to this short, you can just use all these icons here to edit it. So after choosing all the necessary editing criteria, you can click on next. You're going to add your short. Let's just say hashtag shorts. So you can go ahead to choose a thumbnail for this. So if you want to choose a thumbnail, you click on this pencil icon here, click on it, and then choose from these pictures that you want to use as your short thumbnail. Use this one, then you click on good, this tick good sign here. So go down to make the necessary adjustment, you choose your audience, and then if you want your watch hours to count as valid, if you want YouTube to be counting your watch hours from your shorts, you click on related video. So we want to relate this video to the shorts, and you know that we chose these shorts, we chose the shorts from this video. So the video that you want to change, you want to bring out the shorts from, you choose the longer version of that same video that you want the shorts to come out from. So just click on it and then you upload. It's uploading. So this is our shorts. You click on your shorts, you find the shorts there. So this is the shorts. So now it's showing created from Creative Mary. That is, the short was created from that long video that I used. The watch hours of this short video, YouTube will see it as valid watch hours. So now that you have learned how to do all these things, from henceforth, your watch hours will begin to count. That is, your short videos watch hours will begin to count. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.